your wish fulfilled, the secret to feeling it and manifesting what you desire before you have it. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high, like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, I want to remind you to be sure and subscribe, click the bell icon because we're here all the time, ready to empower your life with the law of attraction. So we're talking about a technique that was used by Neville Goddard. It's a very powerful technique because Neville believed that feelings were the secret to manifesting. And feelings are, what they actually are, high flyers, is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential. We don't connect just with thoughts, we connect with feelings. But I guess the real question is, how do you feel it? I mean, how do you really feel what you desire, your intention, as if it's already manifested before it's manifested? And we're going to give you a real simple technique that works, and it works effectively. So high flyers, it's important to remember right from the beginning that all of your feelings, everything you're feeling right now, everything you ever have felt, and everything you will ever feel, okay? All of your feelings begin with beliefs. What do you believe about your reality? Now, it's important to understand that there are no absolutes when it comes to beliefs. Everybody's belief is different. Therefore, this is important, everybody's reality is slightly different. Okay? We have certain things we agree on, like this is red, this is green, this is yellow. We have commonalities, but we really don't know if what the other person sees. Well, let me give you a better example. If somebody tells you they love you, the only way you can interpret that is what you feel about love. If you've had a childhood filled with pain and abuse, all in the name of love, you have some pretty negative beliefs when it comes to love that likely at some point will need to be cleared. So your beliefs lead to thoughts. Your thoughts lead to words, what you speak, how you talk about yourself, about your intentions, and about others. Okay? And then thoughts lead to emotions. And emotions, high flyers, they lead to feelings. And feelings are the secret to manifesting, according to Neville Goddard. And I agree with that. Now, here is the caveat to all this. If our beliefs are counter to our intention. So we have an intention. We want that new big car, okay? But our beliefs are that it's not right to drive a big car that is a gas guzzler when you can get by with a bicycle. That's your belief. You were taught that as a child. Okay, but you want the big car, but you got those old beliefs. Now we have counter intentions. We have conflict. And so the feelings that we send out to the universe are not pure. They're mixed with old beliefs, I should ride the bicycle, new beliefs, I want the car. Okay, you get what I'm saying? It's important that your beliefs be in harmony with your intentions. So, high flyers, there are a number of ways of changing beliefs or altering beliefs and putting them in harmony with new intentions. One of the most powerful ways is hypnosis, miracle hypnosis. So we formed a site called miraclehypnosisonline.com, and we're giving everybody 7 days free to try it out. You can make a lot of progress in 7 days to change your beliefs. MiracleHypnosisOnline.com. So let's get back to the actual exercise. It's a modification of one of Neville's exercises. And if you'll do this every day for a few moments, you're going to be shocked at the outcome. So number one, high flyers, you're going to want to sit comfortably in a chair. Relax and just feel at peace. Number two, assume, using the law of assumption, you are living the wish fulfilled. So basically, the law of assumption says, if I assume it, if I assume that it's already present, that it's already mine, that I already have it, then it is mine. It becomes mine, and I become it. Do you see? There's a blending of energies there. So to carry this a little further, a little deeper explanation, let's assume that it's that new car that you desire, and you've cleared out negative beliefs. And now you're sitting in that chair, and all of a sudden you assume that you are in the car, you are driving it. You assume the salesman is handing you the keys. You're starting the engine. You hear the engine purr, and you are driving it down the highway. And you feel how good it feels to be driving this new car. You assume it. You take it on, and it becomes a part of you. Essentially, high flyers, what you're doing is you are living the wish fulfilled. So the third point, high flyers, is what we call to fractionate, or fractionation in neurolinguistic programming. Now, fractionation is very important. This is a very important part because most people, when they visualize, they just visualize themselves in the car. But what you're going to do is you're going to pull yourself out of the car and back into your chair. You're going to open up your eyes. You're going to look around, take a deep breath, close your eyes again, and put your mind back in that car that you desire to manifest. And you're going to be back in the car. You're going to feel the emotion. Every time you move back and forth from the chair to the car, from the chair to the car, you are creating motion. And motion is another way of creating emotion or feelings. It amplifies your manifesting visualization. So you're going to end up back in the car, visualizing that, and then pull yourself back into the chair. Now, the last time, this is kind of tricky, so pay attention. The last time you do this, you visualize that vision coming back with you into the chair. So the car, that new car that you desire, and the chair that you are sitting in are now one and the same. And you open your eyes, make the sign of silence that seals the energy, and you're done with the exercise. This is a super powerful way. It's based on a Neville Goddard technique, and it really, really works. But what it does is it creates some motion back and forth, creates some energy. So pretty soon you're back in that chair, but you really want to be back in the car. And that's emotion, that's feeling, that's excitement, that's exhilaration, and that's manifestation. And that's how you manifest fast and effectively. And you manifest the wish fulfilled. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.